Hi, it's Christine doing a review for Instapot Dual Crisp and Air Fryer in 8 quart. I really love this Instapot because it allows you to make so many things with just one unit. It has a pressure release valve like a typical pressure cooker. And I love it because it fits my small kitchen. I like that it comes with a lot of attachments and you can even rest your lid on the handle. It comes with an 8 quart insert pot that sits on the element. It comes with an air fry basket with a removable bottom for steaming. It comes with a steam rack that you can also use for roasting. It really depends on which way you put it on. It also comes with a broil or dehydrate tray, so your food can sit closer to the top, especially if you're using the air fryer lid like this one. It easily just connects together like this. The pot will actually communicate with you on how your food is looking as well. It comes with an air fry lid rest so you don't burn up your countertop. I like that you can cook with this so you can keep the house cool in the summer. I really love this pot. I use it often. Here I've made chili. It's great for bone broth for myself and my dog. And I like that you can also bake with this. See, I made a pumpkin spice coffee cake. I love this product for its versatility and I highly recommend it.